Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this lovely 2015 Nissan Altima. We recently took it on trade. It's in great condition, serviced and checked by our Nissan certified techs. We are an Infinity store, and Infinity is Nissan's luxury division, so our Infinity techs are also certified on working on Nissans. If you're in the market for a mid-size sedan with great gas mileage, low ownership costs, and excellent reliability, the Altima is an excellent choice. With an EPA highway rating of 38 miles per gallon, it gets great gas mileage. This one features a nice aftermarket Pioneer audio system, nice comfortable interior, nice color combination, white on black, featuring tinted windows, which goes really nicely with that that white exterior. 32,701 miles at the time of making this video. White is such an easy color to take care of. I own two white vehicles myself. Surface and imperfections and scratches don't show up nearly as much on a white car versus a black car, which seems to show everything. And this is very spacious. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat comfortably set for my height, and you can still see I have plenty of room back here. Can comfortably sit 4 full-size adults and 5 in a pinch. Also has generous accommodations in the trunk, and you can fold down those rear seats for more cargo space. Those wires are for a subwoofer. Generally, when you trade in a vehicle, you don't really get extra money for a subwoofer, so the customers opted to keep it. But if you buy this vehicle with it pre-wired for a subwoofer, it'll be pretty easy to add one if you wish to purchase one yourself. The audio system sounds pretty good without a subwoofer, but if you want a little extra bass, subwoofers always do a great job doing that. This Altima comes with a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicles that you purchase from us, be it new or pre-owned. So that's why we have that 5-day money-back guarantee. No restocking fees, no gimmicks. It is 100% money back. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine in this Altima has been used in a lot of Nissan products over the years. It makes, I think, about 175 horsepower, plenty of get up and go, very fuel efficient, matched to a super efficient continuously variable transmission, also known as a CVT transmission. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.